going to do a video, and it's going to be something easy, a DIY. So it's going to be one of those face masks, just one that has the ingredients that most of us have in our houses. So let's get started. Start off, you're going to get your ingredients. You're going to get a whisk, any size will matter. It doesn't matter. If you have electric whisk, use that too. They say 1-ply toilet paper or toilet paper towel. Now this is a 2-ply. I tried like separating it, but it's going to take too much time and it's going to irritate me, so I'm not going to do that. So you have that, and then they say 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now I don't have fresh squeezed lemon juice, so I'm just going to use this. So it says unsweetened 100% lemon juice, so a bucket, any size will do. It's just, and then 1 egg white. So okay, so now that I've got you guys in position, we are going to break the egg open basically, and then just separate the egg white from the egg yolk. So let's do that. Hopefully I can do that, because like literally I'm not very good if it comes to breaking like eggs open. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this because this is the easiest way I know of separating it. Okay, I don't know if I exactly did that the way they wanted to, but there you have my egg, and then you have the egg white in here. Now we're gonna whisk it until it's frothy basically. So now I'm gonna add the 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay guys, I'm back. So I hope this is what they mean by being frothy. I hope so. It looks a bit like liquidy, so I don't know if this is right, but we'll see. We'll just like apply this to my face now. So I don't know, guys, I look like a mummy. Like seriously, I can't even move my mouth. I'm so scared the stuff's gonna fall off. And I'm getting it in my mouth. Ew. Okay, so they say you have to leave this for about 20-30 minutes. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna wash my face off, and then I'll see you guys back in about, I'm gonna do 25 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna do 25 minutes, and I'll be back in 25 minutes, and then I'll tell you how my face feels like, if it's any softer or anyway. See you guys later. I'm back. So it's been about 20 minutes now, and as you guys can see, it sort of dried. I don't know if it's supposed to do this, because this, and it's already like falling off, like I can get my fingers in there. But anyhow, so I'm gonna take it off now, and then I'm gonna go wash my face, and then I'll check in tomorrow again to tell you guys whether or not I got a breakout from this mask that I made, and if it did anything. Like obviously it's not gonna show with the first like time I use it, but I mean you can feel the difference between a soft face and just a normal, like how your face is supposed to be. But I'm definitely going to look out for if I have any breakouts, because they say it's for acne prone skin, so we'll see. But yeah, let's take this mask off, because I feel like a mommy. My poor dog is scared of me. Like he was looking at me like, human, what did you do to yourself? Who are you? So No, I didn't get anything. Still down here. Okay. I'm gonna go wash my face now. I'll see you guys now. Guys, so yeah, it's the next day, and well, got some over here, but it looks like one I already had, and then just there, and then one here on my cheek. So I didn't get a really like a breakout, so I would say it's fine to use it if you want to, but I think somewhere I did something wrong. I'm not sure, but if you want to try it, be free to try it. Yeah. See you guys.